In the realm of creative design, a distinguished visual artist hailing from the city of Chicago has actualized his vision of a piscatorial sanctuary nestled beside a secluded lake in the northern reaches of Wisconsin. Positioned upon a level expanse amidst a 2.5-acre densely wooded locale, stands an innovative single-story architectural marvel, strategically placed to optimize vistas and its harmonious integration with the natural surroundings. A sweeping expanse of glass ascends between two substantial stone edifices anchoring either extremity of the succinct, rectilinear structure. A shallower roof, reminiscent of a butterfly's wings, gracefully looms above, gently ascending to underscore the panoramic views overlooking the lake and forest. Simultaneously, it extends beyond the glass facades, crafting a sheltered veranda on two facets. Within its confines, the interior spaces seamlessly blend functionality with universality. The architectural program encompasses a capacious communal area for culinary endeavors, communal living, and dining, coupled with two private sleeping chambers. At the heart lies a central core volume concealing a mechanical chamber, paired lavatories, and storage facilities. The entire expanse is warmed by hydronic floor heating and radiant tubing intricately woven into the 3-foot-thick masonry walls. A hearth, utilizing wood as its fuel, harmoniously melds into the stone facade of the living space, offering a nod to traditional rural focal points and an additional heat source. During milder seasons, ventilation and cooling unfold organically, relying on operable windows and the shading grace of towering arboreal companions. Touches of timber, stainless steel, and white-painted surfaces tastefully complement the restrained color palette of black metal frame windows, concrete flooring, and horizontally arranged stones, showcasing a spectrum of grays. The realm of artificial luminosity is judiciously restricted to minimal recessed fixtures within the living zone, emphasizing task areas in the kitchen and bathroom. Petite floor lamps discreetly illuminate the sleeping quarters, adding a nuanced glow to the ambience.